Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dodos, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Guys, elephant in the room, it's new hair. If this is your first time here, please do not leave without clicking the subscribe button down below, and please click the notification bell so that every time I post a video you'll be updated. I'm just exuding some form of like joy, happiness. And it's really because of this hair, guys. They really say that when you change your hair, you literally feel like a brand new person. Like, I feel like who was the other dodos that you guys had been seeing on this channel? Who? Because what? This is about to be how I'm pulling up on the scene. Like, this is like this is gonna be my go-to look when I have to wear this wig. If you're here, it's because you want to see me transform, basically. So today is like a different style. It's almost like a get ready with me, but it's gonna be like a silent, quiet get ready with me. Okay, today's video is sponsored by Arabella Hair. They're a company that basically sell human hair, from Brazilian hair to Indian hair to what are the types of hair. Yeah, basically they have all the different types of hairs, and this is their deep wave frontal wig. This is in the length, I think 22. Yes, I think this is 22, and I showed you guys the different ways that I basically would rock it, but this is my preferred way just because I wanted to do something different. I really love the texture of the hair as well. As you guys can see, I cut it into a bang, and oh, I feel like bang. Okay, bang, da, ding, da, ding, da, ding.
So I'm starting off doing my skincare routine. I love to take my time in the morning when getting ready, just to make sure that I stay hydrated, make sure that my skin feels good, feels moisturized, and I'm just using a toner on my skin first before I move into my serums. And this is the one time that I get to spend with myself, so really I enjoy every bit of my skincare routine and my morning routine. After which I move into moisturizing my body, and I'm currently using the Lubricant body lotion. I'm just tying up my entire makeup look, you know, from concealer to eyeshadow, setting it in and just making sure that I create a very natural look. This is my go-to look that I create every single day. I'm brushing my eyebrows up to create feathery strokes to make it look natural again, because I'm going for a very soft look. I want that no makeup look. Cream blush has become something that I'm really obsessed with, and I go in to seal my entire makeup using the rose hibiscus water from Herbivore. I'm also opening up my eyes and tying up the entire look with lip gloss, just to give it that fresh look and that youthful glow. Very effortless, very chic, and yes, that's what I do on a day-to-day basis. Now onto my hair. My hair's been already put in a slick back ponytail. I'm just applying some gel to make sure that it's intact. Moving on to the most important part of this video. This video is sponsored by Arabella Hair. I'll be selling my hair using the argan oil hair conditioner spray, this brush that came in the package, and also the hair clips. And then I'm securing my hair down wearing this wig cap. I like this brown wig cap because it's the closest to my skin color. And then I activate the curls using spray bottle, which has water and conditioner in it. Once I have that in place, I start manipulating the units and just making sure that I open up the strands and open up the curls, just so that it looks very natural. I like to also use my finger to kind of like pull out the curls. I'm just adjusting the lace to make sure that it sits perfectly on my head. This is the first style, which is a side swept hair look. I'm also activating the curls using the spray bottle with water and conditioner, and slowly pulling out the curls just so that it's not as tight as it was. and this is the overall look. I love how chic and feminine this looks. It's so beautiful, and I love that it also has that wet look as well. I really love the texture of this hair and love the overall style of this hair. This has got to be one of my favorite styles from today's video. Now I'm moving on to the second style. I'm going to be doing a center part style, and I'm just using this brush to section the hair, trying to find like a middle part of the hair, and then just start adjusting it and pulling out the curls, also making sure that it sits perfectly on my hair. This is very easy, very simple to achieve. I'm also going in with a bit more conditioner because I wanted to really make sure the curls are quite pronounced and visible, and also going in with water and yes, a conditioner on my hair. Once that is done and my hair is in place and I have the desired look that I'm going for, voila, this is the finished look. It looks so voluminous and bouncy. It gives me that Diana Ross vibe, and really I love this hair. You can literally see me feeling myself. I'm feeling like Beyonce with the fan and the whole works. Now moving on to the third look. The third look is going to be bangs. I've seen people style their deep curl in a bang, and I thought I wanted to try out something different. I'm just sectioning the front part of my hair, making sure that it's cut out in a triangular shape, and then I'm going to slowly go in with the scissors to cut out the bang. What I start to do is I use the scissors to cut out the sides and create almost like a side swept situation there slowly, and I take my time with this just so that I don't make any mistakes on both sides. I try to make sure that I'm pulling out the curls just so that I can measure it and make sure that each side matches the other side. And then I start to cut the front of the bang, you know, slowly, just to make sure that I get that nice kind of like wispy effect with my bangs. Now that I've gotten something close to what I want, I'm going to pin that up and then go in with a paddle brush just to stretch out the curls. I want this hair to look kind of like messy, so I'm going in with this brush to brush out the curls, make sure that it looks voluminous, full, and then I'm going to bring the bangs down, and yes, that's going to be the finished look. This is officially my favorite style from today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it very helpful. Please comment below which style you would rock. Will you rock the first style, the second style, or the third style? This is such a perfect look, and you can see I'm feeling super excited and super happy. I hope you stay to the end of this video to see, because I have something exciting coming up for you guys.
Okay, so I'm so excited to announce that at the end of this video, in the description box down below, there's gonna be a giveaway. One lucky subscriber is going to win this custom deep wave unit, and it is open only to my subscribers. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, now is a good time to actually subscribe, and just leave a comment below and I will select a random winner who's gonna get this luscious, gorgeous unit. So I mean guys, I literally just, there's nothing to say. All I want to say is that thank you, Arabella Hair, and all I want to also say is that if you like this video, thumbs up. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this style of video that I did today, and if you did, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to see you guys soon. One of the amazing things I love about this unit was they shipped as well from China to Nigeria, so I got this in Nigeria in due time and in good time, and I really just love how I like pulled out the curls. I'm also one that likes defined curls, so I just pulled it out. I mean, to be honest, it just really, like, that's my preference. That's how I would wear it. So you can wear it however you want. And also I had the lace already pre-plucked and tinted. So yes, let me know if you guys love this hair on me and how long do you think I should keep it in, because I'm really feeling myself. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Don't forget, thumbs up, share this video, send to your friends. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.